In this tutorial, we're going to review the verb gustar. Gustar is used to express likes and dislikes. The person, thing, or idea that is liked is the subject of the sentences. The person who likes the other person, thing, or idea is the indirect object. In these sentences, me gusta la ensalada de lechuga con tomate. What is the subject of the sentences? The subject of the sentences is the person, thing, or idea that is liked. So what is liked? La ensalada de lechuga is liked. That's the subject of the sentences. So what is the indirect object? The person who likes the other person, thing, or idea is the indirect object. The indirect object is me. Literally, we translate these sentences in English. The lettuce with tomato salad is pleasant to me. But the normal translation is, I like the lettuce with tomato salad. To express the idea that one likes to do something, gustar is followed by the verb in infinitive form. Also, gustar is usually used with pronouns that tell to whom something is pleasing. How do we call those pronouns? Those pronouns are called indirect object pronouns. The indirect object pronouns are me, te, le, nos, os, les. The meaning in English is me is to me or for me. Te, to you or for you. Le has a different meanings. Le is to him or for him, to her or for her, and to you or for you, formal. Nos, to us or for us, os, to you all, for you all, informal, and les, to them or for them, and to you all, for you all, formal. Gustar is one of those verbs that is normally not conjugated as the other verbs, but we use gustar only two forms, gusta and gustan. Gusta the singular form and gustan the plural form. So we use all of those pronouns with gusta and all of those pronouns with gustan. So when do we use gusta? Gusta, the singular form of this verb, is used when something is pleasing to us is singular, when a noun is singular. For instance, ¿te gusta la clase de historia? So la clase is a noun, singular. That's why we use gusta, the singular form of the verb. Les gusta la pizza. La pizza is a noun, singular. That's why we use gusta, the singular form. Also, we use gusta, the singular form of the verb, to express the idea that one likes to do something. Gustar is followed by the verb in infinitive form. Here is we like to do something, we are going to use the verb in infinitive form, but only the singular form. We are never going to use the plural form, only the singular form. For instance, me gusta jugar tenis. Jugar is a verb in infinitive form. That's why we use gusta, the singular form. Nos gusta comer pizza. Comer is a verb in infinitive form. That's why we use gusta, the singular form of the verb. And when do we use gustan? Gustan, the plural form, we use when something is pleasant to us is plural. So when the noun is plural. For instance, me gustan los viernes. Los viernes is a plural noun. That's why we use gustan, the plural form of the verb. Le gustan los tacos de la popular. Los tacos is a noun plural. That's why we use gustan, the plural form of the verb. This verb is also used a set of pronouns that we call them prepositional pronouns. Those are called prepositional pronouns because we use with a preposition. It could be a, para, por. So we use a mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, a él le gusta, a ella le gusta, a usted le gusta. Those pronouns are optional. Those pronouns are used to emphasize, to be more emphatic, to be more specific, especially when we use the indirect object pronoun le or les, because this le or les has a lot of meanings. For instance, le gustan los tacos de la popular. When we use this le gustan los tacos de la popular, we really don't know who are we referring to. But if we use one of those prepositional pronouns, we will be more specific. If we say, a él le gustan los tacos de la popular, we are being more specific. So those prepositional pronouns can be replaced for the noun. For instance, I can use a Claudia y a María no les gusta el vestido amarillo. So Claudia y María, those nouns can be replaced for ellas. So I can say, a ellas no les gusta el vestido amarillo. So if we want to express something that we do not like us, we can use the negative word no before the indirect object pronoun. That's the way we use the verb gustar to express likes and dislikes. Gracias.